See any of them out there, rookie?
Sorry, Captain Butch. Negative.
What?
Hey, Beta Team! How's it going?
Run. Ah, crap. Hey, kids. Remember me? Aw, shit. Archer! Open fire! Archer? Oh, come on! So good. You'll join him soon enough. There we go.
Well done, Delta Team. You won.
Cool. Hey, when are we getting that AI in?
The captain's installing it tomorrow. Anyway, speaking of which, you have a mission. Head to the debriefing room.
Sure thing. Hey, better luck next time, eh, Beta Team? Shut up, Jean.
Sore losers. Come on, Terry.
Okay, Captain. Okay, Delta Team. This is what's happening. You're gonna go over to the other ship there and find out what's inside. Scan everything.
What sort of ship is it?
It's not human or Covenant. That's why you have to scan everything. Take as many pictures as you can of the interior. We haven't got any life signs, but you better keep your eye out anyway.
Yes, sir!
How's it going, Mitchell?
Oh, hey guys. Looks like I'll be transporting you from here to there, eh?
Something like that. You actually have your pilot license now? Is that some sort of dig at my flying? No, not at all. Now let's get going. Okay, cool. Alright, Terry. Keep your eyes open and scan the ship. I suggest we split up. Take more ground. Alright. But keep your motion tracker on at all times and your radio. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go this way. Okay.
Hey, Terry. Terry!
What? What is it?
You ever get that feeling like you're being watched?
Who? Me? Nah. Why? Did you?
Yeah. A little bit. Think there's something in here?
Terry? Terry? Terry, are you there?
Oh, what the hell are you? Prometheans can't do this.
Oh. So you know of what I am.
Yeah, the word is dead.
Ah! Terry, you okay?
Yeah, Captain Jean. Just... it spoke.
We'll take the recordings back to the Crying Cicada. Find out what this thing really is. What you're saying is this thing spoke to you?
Sir, that's correct, sir!
Well, being a Promethean, that explains why we didn't pick up any life signs. They're not exactly organic. Huh. Well, by the looks of this, is, you know what a Promethean is, right?
Yes, sir! A Promethean is an ancient human, sir!
Correct. By the looks of this Promethean has kept his human mind
but is still within the Promethean body.
This could be a really bad thing.
Sir? A human mind within a Promethean body.
If this human was a bad person, then imagine the sort of damage he can do within that body. And how can we tell if it's a bad person or not? We can't take any risks. You two will have to go back into the ship and take him out. Mitchell, you are officially part of Delta Team, so you can go in there with them.
Yes, sir.
Alright, Delta Team, let's move out. Alright, stick together.
Why don't we split up? Cover more ground.
No, we did that before. Not a good idea. Huh! Mitchell, take it out! It looks like the monsters have returned. What are you here for? Are you here for your death? Don't listen to him, guys. Try and play with our heads. Primitive creatures. Let's see how you go up against my knights.
Take it out! There's another one on this side! Over here, too! We're surrounded!
That's right. You are surrounded. I continue to be in charge. You will probably die as well. Who are you? Prometheus, Professor Ruthoff, and the Destructor.
And as long as you're in control, these Prometheans will continue to attack us?
Correct. Why? Good. That's all I needed to hear. Terry? Now! Sayonara, you son of a bitch. Alright guys, let's get off of this ship and back to ours, so the Crying Cicada can blow up this fucking place.
I hear that.